Hello, it's Salim. In today's video, we're gonna be detailing this faded hood to this mirror finish in few easy steps, which it will be sanding, polishing, and waxing. The first question we should ask, why that happened to the hood paint, even though the car not that old. There are few reasons to fade the hood paint like this. The car doesn't have underhood isolator, so all the heat from the engine hits the hood. If your car doesn't have underhood isolator, consider buying one, not only protecting your hood paint, but it will silence some of engine sound as well. So here are the products we're gonna need: masking tape, some fine sandpaper, rubbing compound, polishing compound, and a wax to protect the paint. So we're gonna start with wet sanding with 3000 grit sandpaper to remove that oxidized layer on the paint. And I'm gonna be using sanding pad so I can have even sanding without creating hot spot. When you're doing wet sanding, don't use circular motion. Use linear motion instead, because after that you can polish linear line easier than circular motion. Alright, we just removed that oxidized layer and the water makes it shiny. After the water gets dry, it will get hazy again. Next, I'm gonna use masking tape to mask the fenders and the windshield plastic trim. Next, I'm gonna put 5 drops of rubbing compound and work on the half of the hood. And I will do 4 passes, 2 horizontally and 2 vertically. You can do this procedure by hand as well, but it will take you some more time. Alright, after 4 passes, let's wipe the residue and check the result. It came out so good. Now we can do the other side as well with the same technique. 4 passes, 2 horizontally and 2 vertically. Alright guys, here is the result after using rubbing compound and a polishing compound. Next we have to wax it and protect it from contaminant, and we have to hurry because it's about to rain. Applying wax is very easy. Just use the applicator pad that comes with the wax and apply it in a circular motion with an even layer just like this and let it dry. After it's dry, wipe it off with a microfiber towel just like this. With using some of these products and simple techniques, we just turn this faded paint to this mirror finish. And you can apply this technique on any panel on your car, whether if it's the hood, roof, or trunk. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope the video was helpful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.